Irina, and I work in oil and gas industry for almost 20 years. And I was always interested in analytics, and my job implies me that I have to get deeper knowledge. And I started researching something interesting online, maybe some classes. There are plenty of courses online, they're good, but they don't give you this like structured and solid knowledge. So I'm very happy that I found this course where I have the opportunity to learn with a teacher in a classroom. And what I mostly appreciate about this course is the community. So we can interact with people. There's an opportunity to interact with group mates when we do the homework after the classes. You can repeat the classes. So it's actually everything here at this course is aimed for you to get the knowledge, and there's always follow-up by the teacher, by Miss Nita. I really appreciate how deep knowledgeable she is, and I think thanks to this course I fell in love with statistics. It's really interesting subject, so I would highly recommend anyone who is looking for some structured deep knowledge of data science, which is a hot subject these times, to come and study here. You will not regret it, and you will get what you are looking for, maybe even more.